Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 memory kit, specifically the 32GB, 2x16GB, configuration running at a blistering 6,000 metric tons S with CL36 timings. This kit is designed for the latest AMD platforms, boasting AMD Expo certification for seamless compatibility and optimized performance. Right out of the box, the Fury Beast impresses. Kingston has a reputation for quality, and this DDR5 kit is no exception. The heat spreaders look fantastic, a sleek design that will complement most gaming rigs. But it's not just about aesthetics. These heat spreaders are crucial for dissipating heat, especially when you're pushing the memory to its limits. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the plug-and-play functionality. For those new to PC building, this means the memory should automatically run at its advertised speed without needing manual adjustments in the BIOS. Of course, to truly unleash its potential, you'll want to enable the AMD Expo profile in your BIOS. This will ensure the memory is running at the correct timings and voltage for optimal performance. Now, let's talk performance. DDR5 is a significant leap over DDR4, and the Fury Beast showcases this perfectly. The increased bandwidth and lower latency translate to snappier response times in games and applications. We saw noticeable improvements in frame rates in demanding titles, and multitasking felt smoother than ever. The on-die ECC is a welcome addition, providing improved stability, especially when overclocking. The dual 32-bit subchannels also contribute to the increased efficiency of this memory. One of the standout features of DDR5 is the on-module PMC, or Power Management Integrated Circuit. This allows for more efficient power delivery to the memory modules, resulting in lower temperatures and improved stability. This is particularly important for overclocking, as it gives you more headroom to push the memory further without worrying about overheating. The AMD Expo certification is a major selling point for AMD users. It simplifies the overclocking process, allowing you to easily enable a pre-configured profile that is optimized for your AMD Ryzen processor. This takes the guesswork out of overclocking and ensures you're getting the best possible performance from your memory. Overall, the Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 6000MHz is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade to the latest memory technology. It offers a great balance of performance, stability, and ease of use. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or simply someone who wants the best possible performance from their PC, this memory kit is definitely worth considering. The improved stability for overclocking, increased efficiency, and AMD Expo support make it a top contender in the DDR5 market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.